I'm going to show you guys, it's getting towards that time of year. If you've got a real wood burning fireplace, we're going to go ahead and remove this cover here and get ready to use our fireplace for the first time. What you want to do is use this Creosote Sweeping Log. First and foremost, make sure that your chimney flue is always open before you get started. So go ahead and open that up. Some stuff might fall down. You're going to go ahead and get you one of these Creosote Sweeping Logs, okay? You're going to open it up, and inside it's going to be this yellow package. It's going to tell you this side up, light both ends. You're going to go ahead and set this into your fireplace. What you want to do is you want to do this either first thing in the morning or midday. This is going to take 2 to 3 hours to fully burn through. You can stay in the house if you want, but you want to go ahead and let that finish burning through the entire log. And you want to do this at least once every 2 months. So we always do this at the very beginning of the winter season. And since we're supposed to get frost this week, I'm going to go ahead and start it now. It is mid-morning. That way I can go ahead and go about my day, let it burn, and I can monitor it. And then we'll be able to use our fireplace for this winter. But this is how it works. This is everything you need to know about the Creosote Sweeping Log. So you'll want to do this. This is going to reduce the dangerous creosote. It can minimize future creosote buildup. And this is like the number one. It's over 10 million of these sold. So a ton of people use it and trust it.